Hey Slightly Unblended, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new today. I just wanted to do my favorite Feel Pretty look, and if you'd like to see how I got it, then just keep on watching. It's my birthday! Well, not yet because I'm pre-recording this, but my birthday is September the 23rd. This is the look that I wanted to do for my birthday. I'm doing my plans that I had, doing those today. So I'm just going to start out with getting my lid ready. It's already primed. I'm just kind of going over just to get any of the lines out. I am using the She's in Parties palette because I really just liked this look, and I was like, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna start out by taking Mean Streak on the ABH A14 brush, and I'm just gonna apply it. Well, where did I put my brush? I'm just gonna apply that on the outer part of my lid, like where it starts to go up on my eyeball. So like kind of on that outer corner area, but more towards the center of my lid. Now for my birthday, I don't know what I want to do, but I know that I wanted to like do the makeup look that made me feel really, really pretty, and I want to take pictures. So I have this dress that I got from Fashion Nova like a year or two ago. I don't know, I just love it, and it gives me such witchy vibes, and it's like my favorite aesthetic. And so yeah, I'm gonna wear that, and my husband got me a little witch hat, so we're gonna take like witchy Halloween pictures this evening when the sun starts to set, and I'm so excited. So I'm just packing this down, just patting it, and I'm gonna take it almost to the center of my lid. But I'm going to leave that empty, and I'm not going to put it on the inner corner, but I'm just going to tap it. Leave about a third of my inner corner lid space empty to blend it out. But yeah, I'm kind of boring. I just want to do like cute little husband and wife shit for my birthday. Today I was gonna actually film the review on Rare Beauty, but my lipstick still hasn't come in yet, so it's okay, we'll get it. It should be here today. I understand like UPS and USPS are in overdrive right now, and it's just a little behind, and it's really no big deal. So I just wanted to let you know that this is probably going to be up before that, because, you know, the universe had different plans, and that's totally cool. Like, I get it. Like, it's no big deal. But I know that I have mentioned that I will be doing a review on that. And I just wanted to let you know that I will have it, but it's just going to be a little bit behind. And really, like, things happen. Everything's, you know, everybody's still trying to get used to the new normal, I guess I would say. Even like, do we even have a normal? I don't know. But yeah, anyway, rambling too much. So now I'm just going to take Last Caress, which is this one here, and I'm going to take my Morphe M507 brush and a little bit of that just to blend this out. So I'm going to take this on the outer corner of my lid, and I'm just going to blend out the Mean Streak shade. So by the time I put this video up, because as soon as I finish the one that's going up before this one, my Carnival 3 video, I'm hoping to upload this on my birthday. Just because it's on a Wednesday. I usually, if I'm going to upload on any other day, it's usually Wednesday. For whatever reason. I don't know. I'm just going to blend that out. Baby twisty motions here. Now for the inner corner of my lid space, I'm just gonna pack that down, and then I'm just gonna do some little blended motions as well. I've started to notice something with this camera, that it's kind of starting to pull a like my Nikon, like certain like certain pictures that I take, it doesn't want to be as crisp as it was. So I'm kind of wondering if there's an update. I don't know anything about cameras. I need to get out my book, but it's like, I want that crispness back, please. My quality was like at the best I'd ever had for pictures for my makeup for Instagram and stuff. I'm just like, so I'm just gonna bring this over just a little bit to blend it. And it's gonna look like definitely not the best, but this is one of those trust the process kind of things. Clean this brush off. And I'm gonna take my Sigma E25 brush and I'm gonna go into the shade Total Immortal and I'm gonna blend that out. I'm gonna start on the outer bit and just do a little baby blend. Gosh, when I said that I almost made myself laugh because I have my cat, her name is Billy, and she used to have her tongue stuck out all the time when she was a kitten, so I would call her my Billy Tongue Kitty, but like I get to talk to her and like, Big Tongue Kitty, so like I said just a baby blend and made me think about Big Tongue, and I'm like I need to quit, guys. I need to quit. I'm really excited. So I'm just going to take it and blend it out. I'm going to go back in and touch the colors up here in just a second. I also need to quit talking so much because I'm going to be very mad at myself when I go to edit this. I'm kind of trying to leave the center of my lid empty because we're going to pack some shimmers and some liquid glitter eyeshadow. Now, I don't quite know. I've used some Stila ones. And I feel like the e.l.f. ones are some good dupes for this. So I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Purple Rain Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow. But I did order from the Ulta sale that they had the other day. Sorry for all the noise. But Plum On, the Stila liquid eyeshadow, the Glitter and Glow. I think I just said it, but Plum On. And I'm a sucker for purple, and this looks to be a very good dupe for it. So I think I got this one on sale for like $12. I think it's regularly like 20 something. And you know, with the e.l.f. Cosmetics one, these bad boys are like $5. So I mean, just from what I've tried, the quality is on par. e.l.f. y'all are doing the damn thing. So now I'm just gonna take my ABH A14 brush and I'm gonna go back into Mean Streak and I'm just gonna touch it up just to get it nice and blended. So I'm just gonna take it and just kind of pat it down just to really touch it up. Take it in a little bit more and I'm gonna do little tiny circular motions. So when you're going clockwise, go counterclockwise as well for a more even blend. I'm going to clean this brush off and I'm going to go back into Last Caress, and I'm not looking. I'm just looking down at the palette to make sure that I'm getting the right name, and then I went into the wrong shade. So I'm just going to blend that as well. These shades blend so wonderfully together. I love Melt Cosmetics. Their first palette that I tried, I want to say it was on like the first restock of the Gemini palette. I had watched Raw Beauty Christie's video on it and I was in love. I was like, oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. And it was sold out, I do believe she said. And then when they were talking about doing like a restock on it that year for my birthday, my husband got me that palette and I was like, thank you. And I've used it quite a bit. I want to do let me know your thoughts on this idea, because I have been in such a creative rut. I want to do like a palette bingo kind of thing. One of my friends had said something about it, and then my cousin had said something along the same ideas. So I was thinking that maybe we could like have a conversation about what colors you think I should use, and I can give like I could give like some palettes that I want to use and like list the numbers or whatever on my Instagram store and make it kind of like we can vote on it. Or you can tell me a palette down below and I'll tell you if I have it, and then we can do like a random number thing and like number it and do that. I feel like that would be fun. So I'm just going to take a little tiny bit more of Total Immortal. Y'all, I'm hearing all kinds of bumping and stuff in this house and it's making me nervous. Anyway, I'm just going to just lightly blend this a little bit more. Okay, one more thing before I quit talking so much, because I have probably scared away anybody that's interested in anything here right now. But my husband just ran to get some supplies for the house because we're out of trash bags and stuff like that right now. So he went to go get that. Well, I smelled like fresh air because it's a very beautiful, like, it totally feels like fall outside right now. And I smelled fresh air, then I heard the front door shut and the door was shut. So I went and I looked everywhere because I watched too many scary movies, and I locked all the doors. So I told him, I was like, when you get home, call me and I will unlock the door. Alright, with me running my mouth too much, my Luxie Small Shader Brush is going to be used to go into Sleepwalk. I feel like this is looking a little bit different from when I've done it before, but I still like it. I couldn't remember exactly. I should have done a pictorial on it. But anyway, I'm doing Sleepwalk, and I'm just going to apply it to like the edges of Last Caress, not Last, Mean Streak, my bad. More towards the center, but still even the center of my lid as empty as I can. I'm going to bring that there. Kind of mesh it, blend it with the Mean Streak shade. I'm going to use my ABH A14 brush and go into that Mean Streak shade just a little bit more and really just kind of lightly blend these shades together. If y'all are interested in seeing the pictures that we're going to do later, I will have some on my Instagram at some point. But I can like put some in an upcoming video. Just let me know, because so next I'm just going to take my Luxie Small Shader Brush and some of this Strange Love shade, which is this gorgeous like lilac-y shimmer purple, and I'm going to pat that onto the center of my lid, and I'm going to just bring it down. I'm going to try to blend it pretty well with the Sleepwalk shade. Okay, I'm going to take the Melt Liner brush and some of that liquid glitter eyeshadow, and I'm just going to pat it more onto the center of my lid. And I'm going to bring it up. It down. Oh, dude! How did I forget? Y'all know I have been so excited. Today is the 18th of September, and I've been so excited for months about Knuckle Puck's new album. It's out today, so definitely check out their new album because it's been on my listen list today. I'm just gonna take this Profusion brush, and it's out of, I believe, my Wanderlust palette, and I'm just going to blend this liquid glitter eyeshadow just by patting it down, but I am going to do little baby blend motions up here back and forth just to get it nice and laid down and not so harsh. Super duper quick. So now I'm just gonna take my Sigma E25 brush and just a little bit more of Total Immortal, tap off the excess, and blend it with that liquid glitter eyeshadow. I'm going to take a little bit more of Last Caress and really blend that as a crease. This house is going to end up having me sending an email to Robert Welsh for his ghost stories and makeup. Oh my gosh. Because I keep, like, out of the corner of my eye, I swear I see somebody, and it's not. I'm going to take the shit she's in parties, and I am going to just kind of, I'm just going to touch that up a little bit and kind of bring it kind of onto the glitter. And I'm going to take a little tiny bit of Sleepwalk, add it close to the Mean Streak shade just to really make it blend together very nicely. I'm going to take just a tiny bit more Mean Streak on my ABH A14 brush, just tap it, or just pat it down along the edges here of the shimmer shade just to get them nice and blended together. I'm going to take just a tiny bit more of this liquid glitter eyeshadow just to like bring it more, just to give it a little bit more of a dramatic effect, because the other eye seems to be pulling more glittery than this one, and I want it to be as even as possible. So I'm just gonna do a little bit more. I'm gonna pat that out with that Profusion brush. I almost forgot what I was saying. I want it to look like a crystal ball. Alright, so for right now, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. I know I haven't really been smoking out my lower lash line. Do you find it helpful? Because I usually just use the same shades to do that. So, let me know if you want me to keep on doing that. I don't know. I don't know. Do you like me doing that? Either way, I'll be right back in just a minute. Alright, so this is the finished look. I love it. I love my like lipstick thing that I did. I put it away and I've hid it from myself. No, I didn't. Okay, so for my lips, I used the I Am Victorious Bold Color Statement Matte Lipstick from Milani Cosmetics, and the NYX Lingerie Push Up in Lace Up, I do believe is the name of it. No, Lace Detail. And it made such a nice color combination. I need to put on some gloss. I'll do that in a minute, because I'll probably use my ColourPop So Juicy gloss. But yes, well, let me know what you'd like to see next down below. If you'd like to recreate my looks and have a chance to be featured in an upcoming video, please use the hashtag #SlightlyUnblended. If you're not subscribed yet and you'd like to see more of my shenanigans, then please hit the subscribe button. And if you'd like to be notified of when I upload, just hit that notification bell and it'll send it to you as soon as I upload. Thank you so much for watching. I'll have my TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter down below, and I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye!